Welcome back. Here is another one. Let's talk about programming as a beginner. If you don't know me, I'm a pre-med student who switched to software engineering. Programming is tough, and programming is easy. Depends what level you are trying to go to. We have a legendary tier and an out-of-the-box solution tier. If you know how to make an array of pointer to functions returning a pointer to an array of pointer to a function returning pointer to a character, congratulations, you did it. But if you are in that deep, just change whatever you are doing. Most tutorials start by telling you how to make a variable and store it and apply basic arithmetic to a bunch of variables to find area of a circle or something, or calculate temperatures in Fahrenheit when given in Celsius. And for day one, that is important. But what actually happens under the hood when you do all this is what we should all care about when starting to learn to code. I mean, even ChatGPT can write code that makes a basic tic-tac-toe in React.js. So why code at all? I'll tell you why. You need to know how easy it is to shoot yourself in the leg using C++ and other low-level languages, and choose not to. This is what learning to code is all about. You should know what an array is, how functions pop to and from the call stack, how the H in object-oriented languages are your objects instantiated in memory if they are inherited from a base class 10 levels above. Trust me, these are just the basics. I don't mean to scare you. Sure, you can just open up your IDE and start typing and let IntelliSense and Copilot do its thing, and voila, you have a web app ready to be deployed on Vercel or Heroku, but that will not teach you how to code. Then of course, after all this, we have software design patterns that have their own story. But the moral of the story today is, check your code under the hood before it explodes on a remote server and you pay huge amounts to AWS for your MERN stack web application that won't work because of your incompetence to generate a good prompt from Gemini or ChatGPT to copy-paste your REST API logic in JavaScript. And once again, thank you for watching.